Sir,
Yeah.
it's nice to have you on our entertainments today. So today we would like to know what are you doing for the society as such? So on the part of Lions.
We are from Lions Club of Secunderabad, which was formed in 1962. It's a 64-year-old club wherein we are associated with lot of orphanages, blind schools, then we donate artificial limbs, and for needy and poor people we do them free cataract surgeries also. So we have been supporting Devnath School from quite a long time in all their places, in Begumpet, in Kansilalpet, and all other organizations. They have given us a requirement that they want to, their rooms are clean, everything is clean, even their toilets and bathrooms should be spick and span. So that is why they have given us a call that they required cleaning agents, phenyls, harpics. So based on their call, Lion Kabra and Lion Kuljit Singh Kaluja, they have poured in their good wishes and their money, and we have purchased this for them, and now we will be handing it over to them.
So why do you think sanitation is very important to us as such?
It's like they say you should keep your mind clean. So why not even the bathroom clean? You want to have a good drawing room. So even hygienic, basically you will find that for females, problem starts if their sanitary pads are not clean, or bathroom is bad, then the infection starts from there and spreads to the body. So that is the first step, what we want to make it clean for.
And what are the products you're giving them, sir, right now?
See, this removes all the stains. This is phenyl for good order in the bathroom, and this all their Harpic is for all their toilet cleaning, and maybe in future if they ask for brushes also, we will be giving it to them. This will last for maybe 3 months. Then again after 3 months we will be back again to give them this thing.
How long have you been given the service, sir?
We have been there for 14 years.
Wow, that's very
And,
nice.
if you go to the first floor now, where every student will be having lunch, entire utensils, plate, katori, glasses, because they are blind, so we have to give them steel only.
Okay.
If we give them ceramic or anything, it gets broken fast.
Yeah, and they'll not be able to
Yeah.
know.
So entire set has been donated by our senior Lion Kabra.
Okay.
So
And it's very nice to see you donating so much and doing so much to the society. We are very happy to be a part of for covering this event. So
yeah,
thank you,
we
sir.
also thank Ma Entertainment to cover us and maybe make this video distributed among everybody so that even everybody is aware and then they come forward for contribution.
Yeah, sure, sir. We'll do that.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
जो आँखों से ना दिखे वो दिल महसूस कर लेता है। तुम्हारी मासूम सी धड़कनों में एक पूरा आसमां रहता है। तुम दिल की रोशनी हो, अंधेरों में भी उजाला हो। देखे बिना तुम दुनिया को समझ लेते हो, यही तुम्हारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। इस चिल्ड्रंस डे पर बस इतना कहना है, तुम सबसे अनमोल हो, तुम रोशनी हो। जहाँ आँखें थम जाती है वही दिल चल पड़ता है। जहाँ
दुनिया धुंधली होती है, वही सपना खिल पड़ता है।
तुम्हारे छोटे से हाथों में पूरी दुनिया का नूर है। तुम्हारी हर मुस्कान में खुदा की एक हजूरी है।
तुम जो चलो तो रास्ते खुद बन जाते हैं।
तुम जो हंसो तो अंधेरों में भी रंग जगाते हैं। दिल के दीप तुम, हर धड़कन में एक उम्मीद हो। नजरें भले ना देख पाती, पर तुम सच्ची रोशनी हो।
तुम महक हो, तुम हो, तुम खुदा की सबसे प्यारी लिखावट हो।
दिल के दीप तुम, तुम्हारी आवाज में छुपी है कहानियों की गर्माहट। तुम्हारे स्पर्श में मिलती माँ जैसी एक राहत।
तुम सुनकर दुनिया को और गहराई से पहचानते हो। जो हम आँखों से देखते, तुम दिल से उसे जानते हो।
ना जाने कितने अंधेरों से लड़कर चलते हो तुम।
ना जाने कितनी खामोशियों में आवाज बनते हो तुम।
तुम्हारी हर कोशिश एक जीत का आशीर्वाद है। तुम्हारी हर सांस एक हिम्मत का गीत है। तुम्हारी मासूम सी हंसी इस दुनिया की सबसे सच्ची रोशनी है। सपनों से मत डरना बच्चों, एक दिन सारे पूरे होंगे। आज चिल्ड्रंस डे है, असली तोहफा तुम हो। दिल के दीप तुम,
हमारी रोशनी तुम।
हमेशा चमकते रहना,
हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहना। तुम ही रोशनी, तुम ही आशा।
जो आँखों से ना दिखे वो दिल महसूस कर लेता है। तुम्हारी मासूम सी धड़कनों में एक पूरा आसमां रहता है। तुम दिल की रोशनी हो, अंधेरों में भी उजाला हो। देखे बिना तुम दुनिया को समझ लेते हो, यही तुम्हारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। इस चिल्ड्रंस डे पर बस इतना कहना है, तुम सबसे अनमोल हो, तुम रोशनी हो। जहाँ आँखें थम जाती है, वही दिल चल पड़ता है। जहाँ
दुनिया धुंधली होती है, वही सपना खिल पड़ता है।
तुम्हारे छोटे से हाथों में पूरी दुनिया का नूर है, तुम्हारी हर मुस्कान में खुदा की एक हजूरी है।
तुम जो चलो तो रास्ते खुद बन जाते हैं,
तुम जो हंसो तो अंधेरों में भी रंग जगाते हैं। दिल के दीप तुम, हर धड़कन।
Hi ma'am, this is Shreya from My Entertainments. This My Entertainments is started by my son, who's in 9th class right now, and he's very good at editing. So he wanted to cover all the events that he wanted to know, let people know what exactly we can do from our part to the society. So we thought this would be an event where we can cover, we can tell the society how many people are there around the world who have having special needs. So today, with the help of Aarti ma'am, we came to know there's an event going on here. So we thought we will join the event. We will let people know what exactly Lions Club is doing. So first of all, can I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Prashanti from Devnath. Thank you so much. Thank you for covering us. And I thank Lions Club and Aarti, the president. She's been really promoting Devnath School. And we have 670 students from LKG to graduation. They're mostly blind and some of them are partially blind.
Okay.
With our support and all your support.
When did you start this organization?
This was started in 1991-92 with just as one room and 4 children.
Wow, that is
Now it's grown into this big organization with 670 children. Our chairman, Dr. Sai Baba Gaud, and co-founder Jyoti Gaud, they're forever there. Their work, this is their life. They work so much for Devnath and they want to give the best to the children.
And we usually know the blind, the specially able people are usually the people who have extraordinary talent. Can you tell us something about that?
Yes, our children play chess. They even dance. Partially blind can dance. They also sing. They can really orate well. And they also do yoga. They learn Vedic maths. And they really have to work to just learn English, Hindi, Telugu, or even mathematics. They have to use tailor frame and braille slates. It's not that easy. And our teachers patiently teach them, each and every child. And science, they have to touch and feel. There's nothing like once the lecturer or teacher says something and we just give it. It's not like that. And after 33 years, they have 625 pass outs. And we have
that is really nice.
Yeah, we have our students across India in IIM, IIT. They're also in law colleges. And yes, they're doing very, very well across government sectors.
So
and
we need to appreciate you for that, giving so many people an opportunity.
our chairman, sir, co-founder, and yes, the entire team, the school.
You're
the
working
sub-staff.
really hard for them.
Yes, Devnath works hard for every child. It's not me, it's the team.
Yeah, it's always the team who works for it. Get teachers. How did you get the teachers here as such?
Teachers, mostly they came as parents here because their child also is affected. And they're so compassionate. Maybe the child is in MBA now. Maybe the child is placed now. But they remain as teachers to continue doing and serving the children and the society. And now it's more an inclusive society. We're trying to bring them into mainstream life. Not exclude them, include them.
So So we wish that we have more people to join you, to contribute to you, to make this organization more bigger, where many more people who are specially able can get more facilities from you and get into good positions and be grateful to what you're doing.
We need your support. Thank you.
And we are very Children's Day today, and we are here, and you are given our team to take this opportunity to talk to you today. Thank you for giving your time, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma Entertainments, and congratulations to your son.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are with the Lions International Group. We are with Aarti ma'am, the president, and Mitesh sir, secretary, Dolly ma'am, and Prashanti ma'am from Devnath School of Blind. Lions Club Secunderabad is sponsoring some sanitization products. So to Devnath School of Blind. So we would like to talk to Aarti ma'am that why did you choose this date as you wanted to do sanitize? Why did you choose this date as such?
So today, being Children's Day, we strongly believe that sanitization is a very, very important part of every child, and it is the basic necessity of every child. We have a very old friend of mine, Prashanti, is working with Devnath, and it is a very small but very different perspective that she's put to my mind, that these children cannot see. Since they cannot see, they do not know where to do what job, at what place. This building, this entire institution, Devnath, has 133 washrooms. And these children do not know where to pass urine and where to pass stool. So the washrooms have to be cleaned every hour. This, I feel, sanitation, hygiene is a very important part of every child's upbringing, and they have a continuous request, a continuous need of acid and phenyl and Harpic to clean the washrooms. So on their request, our senior members, Lion Narayan Lal Ganeriwal and Lion Kuldeep Singh Saluja ji, have sponsored these products for them. Thank you.
Thank you so much.